Hello everyone, we've just published an article about the ascending discount system that we've added to the website, and in this video I'm trying to show you how it is and explain how you can use this system to purchase accounts. The ascending discount system of the website works in a way that from the first day the website started its activity, it started to work. If you have for example, purchase an account, that counts in the system. So even if you have purchased one account, for example, let's say 4 years ago, you can have discounts. So it works like this. The points of ascending discount system are like this. Whoever buys or whoever purchases 1 month account gets 1 point. Whoever purchases 6 months account, they get 3 points, and for members who have purchased 6 months account, they will get 5 points. And the percentage of the discounts are based on these points that each member gets. So if you have 1 to 5 points, you have 10% discount for recharging your account. And if you have 6 to 10 points, you have 20% discount, and 11 to 15 points will get you 35% discount. And if you have 16 points and above that, you will have 50% discount for recharging your account. And the important note in here is that you as a member, let's say for example your account is finished and you want to use ascending discount system to recharge your account, and let's say for example you have 50% discount, and I have to mention that you only have 15 days to recharge your account after it's expired. So if 16 days passes after your account is expired, the system will automatically reset your points to 0, and you will lose your chance to use the discount system, and you will need to be recollecting points from the beginning. So this is it. As you see in here I am logged in and I have a 50% discount, and my score or my points are 20. So as I mentioned in here, 60 and above will get 50% discount. So now I have 50% discount, and let's go to pricing list. I have this pricing list open in another browser. This is it. As you see in here, I'm not logged into the website, so these are the real prices without any discounts. And this is the prices that are shown to me with 50% discount, and I can purchase whichever plan with 50% off. So I hope I covered everything and everything was completely clear, but if you have any questions, feel free to ask and we will answer them as quick as possible. Thank you so much. Bye.